This is a quick lesson on how to use the TI calculator. Press Y equals, and delete will get rid of, clear will get rid of the whole line. I'm going to enter both of these expressions and learn some more features. Again, this is a negative sign, not a minus sign. It's a unary operator. X plus 2, x plus 1, x minus 2. And I'm just going to do squared here. X minus 3. And this one, x plus 1. And that's squared. And x minus 2. And that one's squared. And x minus 3. Okay, we're going to draw this. So the domain is only from here to here. So let's focus on that, -5 to 5. And the window's quite a bit taller, so let's do -100 to 100. You don't want to make too small of an increment, otherwise you have too many iterations. And because the scale's fairly large here, I want to draw the tick marks on wider spaces, so 20. Now you can see the tick marks rather than a big thick line. Okay, so the range isn't quite that big. Go back and forth. You need to learn how to do this rather quickly so that you're going to be fast on a test. Okay, that's close enough. You don't have to delete expressions. You can just temporarily turn them off. So you go over to the equal sign and you press enter. Now I'm only going to draw y2. Okay, if I wanted to draw y1 again, I just go back to the equal sign, press enter on this one, and graph. And now I get this one. Okay, if we want to look for maximums, we can calculate these. So second, calc, that's this trace button. And if I want to calculate maximum, I press 4. So the maximum looks pretty close to there, so I'm just going to go to the left just to be sure. You need to be left of the maximum value. Then press enter. You need to be right of the maximum value. Then press enter, and then you can just press enter again for the guess. Okay. We weren't asked to find the maximums here, but I'm just showing you how. If you want to find another value, say the minimum here, you have to press second trace again to get calc. And the minimum is number 3. You can scroll down if you like. It's faster if you just press the number. You'll get used to it. And again, I need to be to the left and right. You want to be on the same hill or valley, otherwise you risk getting an error or the wrong minimum or maximum. The closer you are, the faster it calculates it. And again, enter for the guess. Okay, and for finding roots, we can press second trace, and that's the 0. Okay, it's not above or below the x-axis. It's again left of the x-intercept and right of the x-intercept. So this time left is above and right is below. And again, you can press enter for the guess. If I want to find another intercept, I'd have to press second calc again. 2. And I am to the left, which is below the x-axis. and I'm to the right, which is above the x-axis. So don't think above or below, think left or right. And enter for the gas. And that completes this quick lesson on the TI.